Hello, and welcome to another one. Um, Another quick one. I think this is it's peak, new kid, peak. Anyway, yesterday I think I got up to the regular expression bit, and I said I was going to look for some not data, information on sort of how to get past it. Yeah, so I think this was not working. Yeah, there was an error. What's the colon doing there? Not entirely sure. Oh. So I know I needed. Sorry. I know I needed it into. Where am I? I'm lost. Wait, let me find my bearings one more time. Right. Oh yeah. Okay. So I could just go back. Okay. Right. So. Okay. Yeah. Cool. So this is where I was. I've got two sets of capture groups of groups, and now I need to make it global and case sensitive, and I wanted the flags. So the flags are here, and I've got the flags at the end. And so this is MDN web docs, and we've got our pattern. Our syntax here. So you have your regex pattern, and then you stick the flags at the end, which is cool. So our flags for this would have been GI, global, and case insensitive. So let's stick it at the end. There you go. Nothing. Relatively good night of 2 hours sleep, and a bit of reading won't solve. Cool. So we're going to create a new function that takes two parameters, and the function should implicitly return the result of calling range with num1 and num2 as arguments. To save pass num1 and 2 into integers as you pass them into range. Cool. So let's do this. Again, let's break it down. We're going to start with range from string. I'm feeling tired, so I'm gonna go with a full arrow function, and then we'll refactor it down afterwards. I'm going into num1, num2. Call range of parse int num1. I think it's parse int. That came from muscle memory. Yep. And parse int num2, and that just forces them into integers. I think it's parse int, but I am 90% sure. So I'm actually going to just search for parse int, which is a thing, which is good. And yeah, parse is which is perfect. So again, you do these things enough, and they get ingrained into your like spine. No, you're calling them as just spinal fluid. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, I want this to be an implicit return. So I'm going to remove the brackets, and then I'm going to remove the curly brackets as well, because this is going to implicitly return that. And that should be it, but it's not happy about something. Why are you not happy? Is it because if I've got more than one thing going in, I still need a bracket, even though I can still implicitly return as such. Yeah. When it's one, as it is in ID, I don't need a bracket, but when it's more than one, even if I want it to implicitly return, I need to use a bracket. Okay, cool. Declare function lm_val, which takes a num parameter. The function should be empty. Okay. Oh. Sorry, it did say take num. Details, man. Details matter. Cool. Short message from our enablers. And whilst this is going, I just want to say, so again, thank you to everyone that like leaves a comment or and then engages. I'm so sorry that it sometimes takes me a little while to get to it. Someone dropped a comment asking for a link. I've linked to the course, to the JavaScript algorithms and data structures course in the description. So every video will have it linked in there. Feel free to go there to link to it. But someone also asked about Python, and FreeCodeCamp do have something for Python. They've got a bunch of stuff actually, so maybe just before I finish today, I will just quickly go over that and show. Like, they've got a bunch of stuff that is so incredible, and I make a joke about the support message coming up, but it's worth supporting because they've got so much free resources out there, and they've got a YouTube channel as well, so you can go onto a YouTube channel and watch some of these courses and watch people go through it. I find this sort of interactive way has been much more useful for me in learning, actually typing it out and sort of going through that process. I think has embedded it deeper in my head. But we're all different, and so if you are someone that would want to watch it, they've got a YouTube channel and they do some of these courses on YouTube, and it's 5-hour long stuff. I know they've got the entire CS50 course from MIT, and they've got I don't know if they've just licensed it or whatever, however they've done it, they've got that on YouTube for you. So it's a 11 or something hour course, free of charge, super useful information. MIT accredited course. Is an intro to computer science program that they offer. Again, all of these things are there. So yeah, I will maybe we'll just have a quick look through there. But I think it's incredible that it's all available for free. Go and have a look. At most, if you can't pay anything, as I haven't been able to thus far, you get a message, for 5 seconds, just asking you to support. I don't see a, I don't. I think that's a much more. That's a steal. Still. So yeah. Um. Yeah. Just a brief aside. Let's start working on this lm value function. Declare a function called inner, which takes a character parameter. Then return your inner function. Okay, so we've got a recursive thing going on. Cool. So okay. So they want me to do this like fully. I can't just do that. Which might be because it's a recursive thing. Yeah. Cool. The inner function should be empty. I did not like it initially. Oh, I'm lost. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to be doing something with this inner thing. And then it wants me to return inner. One sec. Cool. So I think this is what it wants me to do. No? What am I doing? Okay, so I've got my stuff in a bunch here, I believe. So 62. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, I think what I'm supposed to be doing is that. No. officially lost. I'm gonna just reset this real quick. So declare a function called inner which takes a character. Okay. Inner. Character. Now return inner. Okay, cool. Had to do a quick reset. Okay. In your inner function, return the result of calling id to text with character plus num as the argument. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna leave it there because I've already got a reminder that it's late. So thank you guys for joining. Yeah, keep turning up. Please do feel free to ask me anything in the comments. I will answer that which I can. I'll just try and make sure that I'm doing it more regularly so I don't leave your comments unanswered for an extended period of time. But thank you and have a good rest of your evening or morning or whenever you're doing this. Peace out.